Hello, my name is Shoma Bhattacharya and I welcome you all to Matthew's Mindful Moment. In today's session, we will work with the abdominal region and we'll try to energize the abdominal region with internal sound. Now, we are going to focus on the sound of breathing, feel it in the abdominal area, and energize the area. Let's begin the process. You can do this process lying down, or if you want, you can do it seated as well. Let's close our eyes, relax the entire body. For the next 6 minutes, you have nothing to do. Just relax your body and simply take your awareness to the abdominal area. You can also focus on the navel if you want to. Keep your focus there and start breathing in deep and breathing out. While you're breathing in and breathing out, ensure that your exhalation is longer than your inhalation. Keeping your focus on the navel. Breathe in, let the tummy expand naturally, and breathe out and feel the contraction. Continue to do this for another 4 to 5 breaths. Breathe in, feel the expansion as you're breathing in, and breathe out and feel the contraction. Now we have to work with sound, and we'll work with the sound of breathing in this area. Let's keep our minds gently focused on the navel and breathe in. Listen to the sound of the breath in the navel. Long, deep breaths in the navel, and as you're exhaling, feel the sound of the exhalation in the navel. We are working with awareness, with focused awareness on the object of breathing, and today our focus is on the object of sound. Keep your awareness on the sound and your mental visualization on the navel, and listen to the sound of the breath in the navel. Breathing in, the tummy naturally expands, and breathing out, feel it moving in with the sound of the exhalation. Just follow the breathing for some more time. Go deep into the sound, and as you go deep into the sound of the breath at the navel area, notice for any change. Notice the subtle vibrations in the area. Feel the deep breathing and the sound of the breathing in the navel with total focused awareness. Go deep into the sound and let the sound of the breath emerge from within. You're not creating the sound, it is spontaneous, it is effortless. Just go deep into the sound of the inhalation and the exhalation. Now, as you continue to breathe in and breathe out, keeping your awareness at the navel, feel that the area is being energized through the sound vibration. Feel the vibration moving into your belly, into the organs of the abdomen, energizing them. And feel your whole body relaxed. And very gently, when you feel good, take a deep breath in, exhale through your mouth. And very gently, you may open your eyes. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the session.